YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn off your device for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you hold down the side button on the S25, that's usually how you would think to turn off your device. Sometimes you actually have a different option set up for holding down the side button, and that is actually to wake up Bixby, which we'll see here. Get around this and to actually use your side button for powering off your phone, what you want to do first is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for advanced features. From there, what you want to do is hit advanced features, and then from there what you want to do is scroll down and look for side button, and then you want to hit side button. From there you want to look for press and hold, and then you want to enable the power off menu for press and hold. And then now if you hold down the side button, you'll be taken to your power off menu. And there you have it, everyone, just a quick tip on how to turn off your device on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.